What's good, producers and producettes? This is your man Jimmy Conway from InstantClassicProductions.com, and in this video we're going to talk about the #1 website you can buy your music gear from. And that #1 website to buy music gear from is Amazon.com. Amazon.com has everything you could possibly want. As far as new gear, and you can probably buy old gear or refurbished gear too. Okay, but I'm gonna show you why they're the #1 website, and I'm gonna show you why they're the #1 searched place to go to. I'm gonna take you to a spot called Google Trends. Google Trends is a spot where you can see what's popping. So let's say if you're looking to see what artists are popping in the industry, you can type in let's say little numbnut type beat or whatever. You can type little numbnuts in the search here, and you can see if he's getting a lot of searches and he's on the rise right now. You may want to start making those type beats ahead of time before anybody else does, so that way when he actually does have a song that blows up on the charts, when producers start making those little numbnut type beats, your video or your song will be the first one that pops up in Google. Okay, so that's the way that's the way you stay ahead of the trend. But we're gonna do off that real quick. That was just one tip for searching what artists are popping and who's not. But off that, we're gonna talk about why Amazon.com is the best place you can buy music gear from. Okay, so I'm talking about over going to your local store like Sam Ash or like a Guitar Center. Okay, which I don't know. The last time I've been to both of those stores, the stock was lacking. Okay, stock was lacking pretty hard. So let's just type in, for instance, Sam Ash to see who's searching that, to see how many search terms they get a month, or let's say over the course of time. We'll type in Sam Ash music just to make sure we get the music store. Okay, so now it's going to bring up a graph that shows you the interest over time. Right now it's set to the past 12 months or the past year. As you can see, there was it's been pretty low. And then November hit, Christmas was coming. And then around December, yep, that's December. Everybody, December 23rd, everybody came in and got their stuff. And then after that, slowly dropped off, and they've been dropping off ever since. But let's go and check over, let's say from 2004 to the present, right? So now you can see a much bigger graph over time and a decline. Okay, this is because at one time you can go into a Sam Ash when they were like the hot ticket, and you could actually go in there, play stuff. They had everything on the floor to play with. As you can see now, they pretty much sinking. Okay, this is Google. These are the people. This is you searching on Google. This is you. This is not me. This is you searching on Google for Sam Ash. Okay, and it tells you a number. Gives you a number like 54 searches, 38. Okay, down here it's down to 19. At the peak, we'll see they were at about 100. Okay, so now we're going to compare them to another local store that people, I see people, talk about a lot, which is Guitar Center. I see a lot of people talk about Guitar Center in these Facebook groups. So we'll type in Guitar Center, right? Search term. Now it's going to do a comparison between the two. Okay. So as you can see, over time, Guitar Center was under maybe hold on a second. Guitar Center should be 2 words, excuse me. Hold on a second. No, it's not one word. Right. There we go. It shouldn't be, yeah. Guitar Center should be 2 words, excuse me. So yeah, once it's, there you go. Okay. So there you go. Look at this. They started out the gate hotter than Sam Ash from 2004. Okay. And they go up and up. They're going down a little bit now too, because their gear is lacking also. Okay. So the next site I'm gonna type in is Amazon. Search term. Oh, you know what? I meant to show you something before I even did that. Hold on, let's remove this real quick. Just the Guitar Center Sam Ash comparison. So now you can go down here and you can see the interest between Sam Ash and Guitar Center. Okay. Just look Guitar Center. Interest for Sam Ash. As you can see, the interest for Sam Ash has always been significantly lower than Guitar Center from the jump in every state. I can even show more states. Okay, I won't go through that. You can do that on your own time. When you're checking it, you can do that when you're checking out different artists and stuff like that. But just to show you why you should shop on Amazon, it also gives you some other stats down there, but you can check that on your own time too. But right here, you can see the dominance of Guitar Center over Sam Ash over the course of time. And you can see the big gap here, right? Now, watch the big gap here. Now, out the gate, they started out low. Well, I can't really say low, they're higher than both of them. As you can see it from the beginning in 2004, the comparison in interest has been 11-1 Amazon, Sam Ash -1, okay? And that's been pretty much, as you can see the trend here, the other stores were getting lower and Amazon just going up and up and up and up. And this is not me doing all the searching, fellas. This is all you. This is you interested in Amazon buying stuff every day, okay? Or other people, you know, who buy stuff. Because Amazon, like I said, they sell everything. So if they sell gear, you could buy the gear straight from your house, straight to your house. And if you don't like it, you know, you can return it back within 15 days if you're not happy with your purchase. You know, so that's my skinny for the day, and why you should buy from Amazon. Why you should buy your gear from Amazon, I should say. What I'll do is, for all you producers, rappers, I'm gonna drop links below where you can buy all the top quality stuff that people have commented on and gave reviews on. So I'm gonna leave links to all of the top, 4 or 5-star microphones, 4 or 5-star keyboards, 4 or 5-star audio interfaces, everything that artists need and producers need and could possibly want. Okay. So definitely click the link below in the description if you need any Amazon gear. It will definitely help me out a little bit financially, as far as helping me keep my YouTube channel up and alive, so I can help you with more stuff as far as like how to sell beats online and more helpful information like this. If you felt like this information was helpful, please click the like, please comment, and please subscribe. If you didn't like it, you can even click the dislike button. There's no hate, you know. But yeah, I would love to hear what you have to say. Click the link below. And you can buy all your gear from Amazon. It'll definitely help me out in the long run. It'll help me help you create better videos and more videos constantly. Okay? This is your man Jimmy Conway from InstantClassicProductions.com. One love. Peace. This is why you should buy your gear from Amazon. Look at the charts.